Hi, thank you for joining me on this journey. I'd like to help you get to be a commercial real estate investor. Now, I spent 30 years learning all this information: broker, contractor, investor, and developer. But it's not going to take you 30 years. I've designed this course specifically to give you all of that information condensed down into weeks just for you. Let me share with you what it's all about. The first module deals with key ratios. Yeah, what are key ratios all about? It's critical. You need to know about what NOI is, net operating income, cash flow. You need to have debt service coverage ratio. You have to have LTV. You have all these various things you're going to learn, and much, much more. So you could be conversant, talking to these owners and knowing what you need to get. When you look at the listings, which I'll teach you how to do, you'll know what to look for, step by step. The first thing we're going to dive into when it comes to the 7 types of properties I'm going to share with you will be apartment buildings. Why? It's real simple. It requires the lowest down payment. Everybody needs a place to live, and it is more likely the type of product you're going to dive into first because it's easier. I'll give you step by step. I give you financing. I give you everything, all about it, and what it has to be. So I'm going to guide you along this path. And something else ties in with that very well. Self-storage. Why? It's real simple. Everybody's got stuff, and they want to save it, so they can't put it in their apartment building, so they put it in self-storage. The revenue per square foot is about the same as an apartment building, without the turnover in the toilets. Is that fun? Yes, it is. And the last thing we're going to do in this section dealing with housing will be mobile home parks. Why? Everybody needs a place to live, and this is affordable. Warren Buffett, the multi-billionaire, the second richest man in the world, or third, whatever you want to call him, everybody listens to him. He dropped $20 billion into mobile home parks, financing, products, insurance, everything. When he speaks, you ought to listen. These are inside tips and secrets just for you. I hope you enjoy these modules as we go along. Take care.